Hey babes, it's your girl Shugz and I am back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps with the promotion of my video. And go ahead and share it with a friend. It's free. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a what's in my bag. I just got home from vacation. I went to visit my mother. And I decided while I unpack my travel purse, I might as well show y'all what's in it. Okay, so I have the Louis Vuitton. I believe it's the Speedy. I don't know the number. Not even gonna flex on y'all like I do. Love this purse. I don't wear it every day. One, just because I don't want to beat it up. And two, when I go to work, I just sometimes rather wear a more like not as, I guess, out there type of purses, if that makes sense. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna be unpacking and showing y'all my 2020 essentials. So first thing, when I pull out, I have like a little makeup pouch, and inside the pouch it definitely needs to be cleaned, because like as I grab like other lipsticks and stuff like that, I put them in here and I don't ever clean them out. So first, I got my bacterial wipes. I got some Jergens hand lotion. Not my favorite lotion. Like, I wouldn't use that on my whole body, but as far as in my purse, it does what it needs to do for my hands. Next, got some deodorant. This is some Secret, preferred Dove, but that's what I have. Got some chapstick. Gotta keep your lips moisturized. Got that Ballistics. Got a hydrating lip oil. I saw this, I think her name is Hannah Olivia. She was talking about how she uses this lip oil, and this lip oil is really bomb. Like, it is glossy, but it's not just like a gloss. Like, it does feel really hydrating. It does kind of tingle a little bit. It has, I think it has tea tree oil or something in it. I don't know, but it's really good. I like how it feels. Also has some oil absorbing sheets. Your girl got oily skin. Just has some medications, things I take on a daily basis. Got to keep that gum. Okay, for all you folks who breath be stank, get some gum in your purse. Got some hand sanitizer. This is actually, two of my really good friends got engaged, and her mom made put their picture on a sanitizer. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but got that. I also have a little thing of hairspray whenever I'm wearing like lace fronts units. I put them down with hairspray, and occasionally they come up a little bit throughout the day, so keep that with me. I also have just some more lip gloss. This is from the YouTuber Taja Fructis or something. Not Fructis, this is definitely a shampoo. It's something like that. She came out with like a little line. And I got the clear, and I got this brown one. I don't know what the name of it is. Also have a ColourPop ultra glossy lip gloss. This currently is my favorite lip gloss at the moment. It's the NYX Butter Gloss. This color is Ginger Snap. It is like the perfect like brown nudie if you're a chocolate girl. Absolutely love it. And then this is Abu Dhabi. It's in the soft cream matte. Also have a Scentbird in here. This one is empty. I need to switch it for another one I have. I canceled the subscription that I had with Scentbird. I might have did it like 3 months. To me, it just I don't know. I don't use, I guess I use a different amount of fragrances, and I didn't tend to reach for that as often, so it wasn't really worth it for me, or to me, I guess. Keep like a little mini nail clip. Yes, this so ghetto, but I got an appointment on the 31st. Okay. Also got some floss. Gotta floss your teeth. I have lip liner. This is pretty much the only lip liner I wear. It's, I think, pretty sure they're the same ones. In dark brown by NYX. I cannot find this anywhere now, and I'm like really upset because this is all I have left. I got a glasses wipe, and I think this is just like a prescription. I get really bad headaches, like migraine. So next I've got my AirPods. Really need or really want a new case. And I have my Apple Watch. Like I said, I just came back home from vacation, so I've got random stuff in my purse, and I have a random earring. Yeah. Umbrella. Keep an umbrella in my purse, absolutely, because you never know when it's gonna rain. A mask, a receipt for some Hardee's, something I didn't need to be eaten. Charger. A case for tampons, some tissue, a wallet that I don't, it's a Coach wallet that I don't use very often, like at all. I keep cards in here that I don't necessarily like want to throw away, but I don't just need on an everyday basis. Next I have my little, it's like a key holder case. Some candy canes, which I'm probably about to eat one of those right now. I also have this extra batteries from Care Of. I really like them. It's like when you need like a little extra energy or something, you just take one. It has 100 milligrams of caffeine in it. The few times, well, I think it comes with 5 and I only have 2 left, so the 3 times I've used it, I liked it, but I think they're between like $12 and $15 just for 5, so that's, I don't know, that's kind of pricey to me. But I guess you're not supposed to use them every day, so I don't know. But yeah, another thing of tissue, a taser, because it's crazy. You know, I'm a single young black woman. You got to protect yourself in these streets, okay? And then I have a brush whenever I'm wearing protective styles, lace fronts, wigs, stuff like that. I be wanting to brush my hair, like. And yeah, that's all I have in my bag. I'm switching to this Kate Spade tote. It's black. It's more just like casual, like low attention seeking type of thing, you know, type of bag. It'll match with pretty much any outfit I wear to work. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.